Namaste everyone. So this video will be on three things: creating a team for examination, creating groups and adding students, and we would be creating the class notebook. So once we do open Microsoft Teams, over here we will just have to click on the Teams icon. After that, just click on join or create a team. So this activity will be done by the owner of the team, or whoever is going to do this. He or she should be the owner of team. What do I mean by this, and what are we doing over here? So as you can see, there are some classes of whom I am a member or an owner. So I'm just trying to replicate these teams so that I do not have to send the invite again to the students and do the repetitive work. So I'm just trying to replicate a team, especially a separate team for an examination. So for that, the first thing should be there is we should be the owner of the team. Once we are the owner of the team, we would be replicating the same team and creating a new empty team over here. So I'll just click on join or create a team. After this, in this option, that is in create a team, I'll just click on create team. Over here I will choose the team type to be of class, and here there is one option. So this is the option which I would be choosing over here. I'll just click on create a team using an existing template, existing team as a template. So over here, let me just go ahead and create an examination team for MBA Tech SEM 7. I'll just click on this, choose team, and as soon as I do this, there are some options which we will be looking now. So the name, I would request it should start with exam November 2020 and the branch and the class name. So there is no need to write the subject over here. So semester and or yes. So after writing the proper name, we will just remove all these things because we do not want anything. Only one thing we would be clicking on is the members. So we just want to copy the members from an existing team. I'll just click over here and click on create. So as soon as I do this, my new team for examination is getting created. So by default already like 62 students are there, or like whoever were there initially in that particular team, they all have been added. So I do not want to add anyone. I'll just click on skip. As soon as I do this, you can see now I'm there in my new team over here. To cross verify, I'll just click on these three dots and I'll just click on manage team. So over here I can see all the students are there. So a total of 59 students are there in this particular class. Some of them might be with guest email account, hence the number or the count is 61 over here. So this is how I did create a team for examination based on an existing team. Now once this is done, the second part is to create groups. We would be going ahead with creating two private channels over here, since we would be dividing them into two groups and both the things should be distinct. Hence we would be going ahead with private channel. So over here, in order to create a private channel and in order to make student familiar of the same, like from the group name itself the student should be aware, and we would be adding him or her in that particular group. So I'll just check the count, roll call over here, or the count. So total over here I am having a strength of 59 students. So I can now create I'll be dividing them into two. So 30 and 29 students I can go ahead with. You can check the average also over here, and the first group would be the average one and the second could be the remaining students. So from serial number 1 till serial number 30, that is from roll number 2 till roll number 41. This would be my group number 1. So again I go back to my team on 3 dots over here, add channel. So this would be my group 1 K002 to K041, and make sure you do click on private over here. The team should be the channel should be private over here. I just click on next, and we would be needing to do this particular activity over here. So these names we would be needing to type. So all these students one by one in that particular group we would be needing to add. So I'm just skipping this thing, so we at our end, or else I'll just show one part. So Agarwal Rahul, you can see this name does pop up, so I'll just add him. So we would be adding everyone, like how many students are there in that particular group over here, and I just click on done. Okay, and once again, if you still want to add someone, make sure you do click on 3 dots over here in front of this group, because we do students are already there in this team. From this team we want to add them in this particular private group. So hence we would be needing to click on 3 dot over here and add member. When you do click this, make sure student tab is on, and then you can add the student. Similarly, I'll just click over here and add a channel. This would be group number 2. It might start from K042, yes, 42 to 71. So K071, again it would be private group. Next, and similarly I'll have to add all these second group names one by one over here, and I'll have to click on done once everything is there. So this is how we would be creating the team for exam, and we can replicate the existing teams over here. So along with general channel, only 2 groups, or based on the number of students you want to divide, so those many private groups should be there over here. The last part what is to be done over here is to create the class notebook, because if class notebook is not created, we won't be able to conduct their exam over here. We won't be able to give the create the assignment. So once this thing is done, we'll just have to click on class notebook. So you can see it is by default telling that there is no class notebook setup. So we will just have to click on setup OneNote class notebook, and select the first one, that is blank notebook. So the reason why we are usually creating a new team is everything like whatever prior work was there, that will not be available to students. For us also, it would be good to create the entire exam content in a separate part, and whosoever like duty or whatever work would be there, so we can add them, and that is how we can go ahead. So one important thing over here, this activity creating class notebook, we would be only doing once all the students are added in our team. So not in this particular group, but in the team the students should be there, because over here by default Microsoft Teams is going to create student notebook also over here. So once all the students are there, after that this small activity needs to be done, and once we did select the blank template, we'll just have to click on next. And over here main part, because we are not going to share any notes or anything over here, so just remove these 3 subsections over here. Let this quizzes subsection be there over here, and just click on create. That's it. So it will create the class notebook. It is taking time because it is creating individual copy for all the 61 students who are there. So once the class notebook is ready, our entire team is ready for the examination. I'll just wait for 10-20 seconds so that we can have a look after, like how the screen looks once the class notebook is ready. So done, our class notebook is ready. Now we can go ahead and create our assignment, and we can cross check the same over here. So here we can see all the names of the student and their individual space is created. Thank you.